Let us begin. Ta-da-da-da.
Hello friends, welcome to the Tada Art Club, where drawings make simple for you. So today we're gonna learn a watering can. It is one of the object, and here we're gonna show the simple way how to draw it. So whenever you're drawing from any photos or the picture, so first we have to draw a outer shape or the outer frame, what we can see. So it will give the nice clarity for your object drawing. So when I draw the lines from the four sides, so this is the rectangle sort of shape, and if you see this is the pink area, which is the positive area, and this is the negative area or negative space, what we call. So always do that. Second thing, what going further is the main body of this watering can is this. If we draw that is also one of the rectangle shape is there. And on that, this is the funnel of the can where the water goes out. So you have to first find out the outer shape and the basic shape of the object. Same thing we followed here also. We transfer this. So here we are transferring the same thing in the other way. So you have an exact square, exactly thing. And now how we'll go by step by step to draw it. So let's start with this handle or the main shape of which is the square, and that if you see that it has the oval shape, and in the bottom also is the oval. So you have to draw first oval shape here, and same way if you continue this, you can erase and clean your lines. It has the double line. Okay, and if you observe this, there is 1, 2, 3 lines, which is again is the oval or the following to the similar lines, and you have to just observe the distance. So this first one is here in the distance, then there is a below second, and the last one is here somewhere. That's done. Now we'll go to the handle. So if you observe it, handle, it's touching to the top line or here. Okay, similarly the exactly center of this main body. So we'll just mark here, it is touching here, and it's start from this corner to this, and it has a little tilted shape. So if you start from here, it's going till here, touching, and through this line is coming down and again here. So this will be the shape. Now to get this three-dimensional effect, it's if you observe that these are the touching two lines here. So if you draw one more line from inside, it should get touch like this, and the second one starting from this area, a little slant and then getting curve. So if you do this, this is the little slant, and going down like this. Here is joining line, and that's the point it get attached here. So we are done with the handle also. If you want to add more detail, you can add just double lines, which is there in the photograph. Later there is one more handle is behind, which is starting from exactly from this corner and attaching to middle of this can. So first find out the middle of can, which is, you can mark here, this, and again this is touching from outside. So it's coming like this. Again here I'll say it to go this curve and attach here. And to get this time 3-dimensional effect, this is the inside curve and attach here. So you see this is the top portion you can see here, and this is the inside portion, which is little dark here. Right, same here also it is, you can add some lines which can show the darkness. Now we're done with the can. Now is the further part we're gonna draw. We have this angle with us, but if you observe, it's still, it's getting little narrow towards this end, and it's little broadened, plus it has the a curve here which is attached to the main can. So similarly here we have to draw one curve, and that's the area which is little narrow. So first draw both the lines. So see here, you can see that this is little broadened portion and this is a little narrow. On that where it's get attached has some lines. Now this portion, which is a oval shape, attached to this. So we'll draw here a oval shape. So this is the oval shape attached, and it has a small dots from water come out from these dots. So this is your a watering can is done. You want to erase some of the overlapping lines like this, you can erase this line. Even in fact you can erase this, the outlines which we don't want. And this way your water can is ready, a beautiful, colorful. You can color it the way you want it, whichever the color medium you want to use, and make it beautiful. Here I'm using just a flat color, and see how it's looking. See this. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share it, and subscribe our channel to watch more interesting videos. If you have any comments on it, please write it down in the comment section. Your queries also you can write it in the comment section. Looking forward to hear from you. Have a nice day.